The Meghalaya Assembly Committee on Estimates, led by Chairman and Nongpoh legislator Meryl Bonds Aim, recently conducted a comprehensive 3-day tour to inspect pending projects in 5 districts of the state. The primary focus of the inspection was to assess the status of stalled projects initiated by the Health Department and the Education Department in the region. Talking to reporters, Aim emphasized the committee's unwavering commitment to ensuring the completion of pending projects at the earliest possible timeline.
This committee, we are trying our level best to ensure that this pending project will be completed as soon as possible, and we are thankful to all the honorable member, to all the stakeholders, to all concerned that they are there with us together, and we look forward that the positive issue that we are going to take to carry on, that this project has to be completed in due course of time for the benefit of the people at large.
Chief Minister